Yes. What are the instructional phases of this collaborative learning approach? We will discuss and we'll look into the phases of instructional phases of collaborative learning approach. The yes, the instructional phases are suggested by or advocated by uh, Reed et al. In the year 1989. So he has prepared a model of teaching using this collaborative learning approach like 5 is learning model. So as Roger Bobby designed 5 is learning model, this Reed et al. Also designed a learning model which can be taught to the students easily to learn the things in a practical way. So what are the learning model he has prepared using some instructional phases we will discuss now. He designed a model using 5 phases, using 5 instructional phases. They are engagement, second one exploration, and third one transformation, fourth one presentation, fifth one reflections. Now we will discuss and we will come to know one by one what is each one, what is engagement, exploration, transformation, presentation, and reflections. If we move to the first one, the first phase of the instruction phases of the collaborative learning, the first phase is engagement. He already discussed about the engagement in 5e learning model. This motivates the students to involve in the curricular activities, and co-curricular activities depends upon the situation and the content of the subject. So in the process of phase of engagement, the students involved in the curricular and co-curricular activities provided by the teacher, that is images, charts, wishes, stories, and some working models. And this stage sometimes the students recalls and recognize the some concepts what are they learned already in the last classes. Means the in the first phase of learning, that is in engagement, the students recalls and recognize the some topics which he learned already. That means he uses his previous knowledge to motivate himself to learn the new content to be learned in the present class. So this is the first phase, that is engagement. We will move to second one, exploration. The second phase is exploration. In the exploration phase, as we discussed in the 5e, the learner focus on what he want to learn. That means what I know, what he knows. That means he himself reflects himself that what he know already and what I have to learn. The learner reflects himself that what he has to learn now and how to learn now, and after learning what he has learned, and after learning that one he shares and exchanges the information to the teacher. So if faces 3 or 4 questions in the, that means introspects himself that what I know, what I have to learn, how to learn the content to be learned, then after what I have learned. So this is the 4 questions he faces him, he reflects him, he introspects himself that next after getting the things, new things or new knowledge, he shares or exchanges or presents the content to the teacher. The third phase is in transformation, means reshaping of the concept what he knows already. If it is good, he shapes the things in the right manner. If the he has the false information or the false facts or the facts which are wrong, he reshapes in the third stage and reconstruct the new knowledge based on the old knowledge. So this is called what he applies the old knowledge, he applies the new knowledge to modify his new knowledge. This is called transformation. In this phase, the student connect the previous knowledge to establish the new knowledge. Means he connects the new knowledge with previous knowledge and elaborates it. Next, he then after he comes to a conclusion with the merits and demerits of the uh, content. If the merits are good, he will continue it. If the demerits are there, he tries to detect with the help of the teacher or guidance of the teacher. In the fourth phase is presentation. In presentation, he explains the procedure what the group has followed to get the solution or to find the solution, or how the group members are presented themselves or contributed themselves to get the outcome or to get the solutions using presentations, what they have used and how the group work is done in the right manner, what are the merits and demerits of this CLA they will discuss, and they will present in by the group leader, sometimes with the help of the group members. Also the group leaders will will make a note and they present in the order. The last one is reflections. So in the reflections they will write what are their views and what are their experiences they faced in collaborative learning approach, how they form the groups, that means formation of the groups, how their group members are contributed their services, how the group members individually contributed services, how they conducted the study or to solve the problem, that means the procedure of the study, and what are the merits and demerits of their project, and how to overcome the demerits using the guidance of the group members, and how the CLA is beneficial to the students. They like reflect one by one of the above by above headings. This is about the last phase in collaborative learning approach.